All right, so how to turn on auto lock on your Teeho Lock. So like my videos before, if you don't have a master code, there's a link here on the top that'll help you get that because that's how you're going to get to the main menu. But you'll click Teeho twice to wake it up. You'll type in your master code. So yours will probably be different than mine. Teeho to confirm. And then now to go to the auto lock, that's actually going to be number 5. And from here, you're going to click a 1 or a 2. So a 2 would disable, 1 would enable. So we'll go ahead and enable it. And there you go, we enabled it. Now, if you were to want to set a duration for this lock, how you would do that is you would actually start from the beginning as well. You'd go in and type in Teeho. You'd go to your master code. And then this time it would be number 6. And then you type in the duration for how long you want to wait until the lock will auto lock. And if you're not familiar with auto lock, what that means is when the door closes, after this time period, the lock will auto lock. And just the standard is about 90 seconds. So if you want to do more than that, then you'll want to go into that number 6 in the main menu to set up a new time. But that's how you guys set it up. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we have the playlist here on the top as well if you guys need any more help with these Teeho locks. Thanks, guys.